Bexleyheath. The little event on cars, trucks, bikes and all sorts. I popped down on the bike, need to come with mum in the car. So let's go and check out, sort some out, yeah? Looking forward to it. Go check out the stalls, get some food. Yeah. Right, let's go. This one's got 3 wheels on it. We know this one. Are you going to pick out your favourite? Pick out your favourite bike. What one? This one? That's your favourite bike? But he's brought paddock stands with him. Yeah, weird.
My favourite bike is that one.
Well, we know that. That's Uncle Jordan's. That's Charlie's. This one's on air suspension, Charlie. There's another MT over there. An S1000, MT07. It's a nice carbon fibre bits on it. Do you like that, Scarlett? Oh, there's a trike. Bit nice, isn't it? Love your paint job. This is really nice, Charlie. I'll get one of these one day. Yeah. Really nice.
It costs a lot of money, mate. What is it, a Dadcati?
No, that one there is a Harley Davidson. I don't know my Harleys. Might be a Road Glide or a Super Glide. I don't know. This one here, we've got a Vespa. Riley's over there. Yeah, we're just checking out all the cars.
Well, we're up here, yeah?
Charlie, this one's got all the speakers in the boot.
I do, I swear I see it. Carbon fibre.
Oh yeah. Sorry, yeah. Sonic. We know this one. This is Granddad's, isn't it? Granddad Joe. Hey? Yeah, we'll come back. We're trying to find out if the SAS used it. So if anyone knows whether the SAS used it or not, let us know. We'll keep going, kids. Don't touch my hair. Charlie, Scarlett. Mustang. That's a lovely colour, that one, isn't it? It's like a really dark green, like a bullet. Proper car. It's got a V8 in it. Yeah, the engine's V8. Oh wow, Charlie, look at these. Do you know what they're called? Bug. They look like a bug, I guess. Oh, we'll get to that, we'll come back up. There's so many people here. Really good turnout. What do they do? Are you sure?
Yeah.
How do you know that?
Cool.
Sure, it's not on YouTube. Is Ronnie liking it, Scarlett? Your little bad baby Ronnie liking it? Oh, look at this one, Charlie.
Wait.
Look at that paint on that.
Right, I can use
Oh, that's lovely. Flame kit still to go on?
Yeah. I was going to do it this year, but I haven't bothered yet.
Nice.
Maybe next year.
Sounds lovely. Sorry, mate?
this car's still there.
Are you going to buy it for me? Why?
I need them to get more money.
Scarlett? Yes, mate.
I think enjoy.
Oh, yeah.
They need the same.
You both look very smart today.
Look at that sunshine, look.
Right, so no focus on where you are. Very busy, I think we'll look at. So now what pop-up lights? What's in there?
The bit, like where all the hearing bit comes out, is in there.
Is it?
Yeah.
Right, here you go. Don't touch. Come to the bus, guys. Let's go see Grandad. Grandad! So like we say, anyone knows if that was an ESAS, let us know. We're desperate to find out, aren't we?
Yeah.
Right.
Apologies for the sound quality. I didn't realise that this install blew up my microphone. So sorry about that. You can kind of hear it.
looking at?
That series.
Those sausages smell lovely. 3D printing. Oh, that's show us that, Charlie. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Charlie, Scarlett.
Loving you weather turns out good or bad. I'll be the good or bad, I'll be the why people break up.
Right, so that's all done at Bexleyheath.
Yeah.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Weather's been nice. Yeah. What was your favourite bit? The Mustang next to Grandad's truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. What's your favourite thing? Wombat. I think it's called a wombat. Right, we're going to wrap this up because I need to get home, get ready for work, bed. So until the next video,
Like, subscribe.
like, share, and subscribe. Yeah.